What's the meaning of collectivize? Collectivize. Collectivize.
Collectivize. Collectivize. Collectivize refers to the process of bringing together individual entities or resources under collective ownership or control, usually in a political or economic context. This can result in the creation of collectives or communal systems in which resources and power are shared among members rather than being owned privately. The goal is often to eliminate disparities in wealth or power and promote greater social equality. However, collectivization has also been criticized for stifling individual initiative and creativity, and in some cases, leading to economic inefficiency and social unrest.